Disney just dropped the curtain on their massive Soarin' replacement. The ride is officially open right now at Epcot, and wait until you see how dangerously close his helicopter gets to the Grand Canyon. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you the secret seating hack to get the absolute best view in the theater. The rumors are true. Disney officially retired Soarin' Around the World. To celebrate America's 250th anniversary, Soarin Across America just took flight at Epcot on May 26th and is hitting Disney California Adventure on July 2nd. I got my hands on the official press kit footage of the filming, and I'm gonna give it to you straight. They finally listened to us. The biggest complaint guests had about the last version was the terrible, distorted CGI. The leaning Eiffel Tower, the fake polar bears, it killed the illusion. This new footage proves Imagineering went back to their roots. We are seeing real, physical, heavy-lift helicopters diving deep into the Grand Canyon. Look at this shot right over the Colorado River. There are actual whitewater rafters in the frame looking up at the camera. That is raw, authentic American landscape, not a grain screen. Along with the Grand Canyon, Disney confirmed we are soaring past the Statue of Liberty in New York Harbor, up to the Alaskan wilderness, and over the New England coastline. And yes, they updated the classic Jerry Goldsmith music score too. But even with real footage, Disney is still projecting it onto a massive curved IMAX dome. If you sit on the far left or far right, the edges of the canyon are still gonna look slightly bent. Here is your insider hack. When you get to the final pre-show staging area, politely ask the cast member to wait for Concourse B, row 1. You might have to wait an extra 5 minutes for the next flight, but this puts you dead center in the highest possible glider. You get zero screen distortion, and you won't have a row of dangling feet ruining your view. Hold on a minute. Because this film just opened, standby wait times in the Land Pavilion are routinely pushing 2 to 3 hours by lunchtime. Do not get trapped. If the stress of the Disney app is ruining your vacation, head over to AmericanTravelFun. I built the ultimate Disney World planning toolkit. It is a completely free, web-based tool. No downloads, no signups. You can calculate your Lightning Lane budget, build a real strategy, and actually beat the crowds. The link is in the description. Do not try to ride this at noon. Rope drop it the second the park opens, or wait until 8:30 p.m. when the massive crowds migrate to the lagoon for the firewalks. I want to hear from you. Are you excited for the new American flight, or do you still miss the original orange-scented California version? Tell me in the comments. Before you click away, new rides are great, but the parks have some serious problems right now. Click the video on your screen to see the 15 biggest complaints ruining Disney vacations in 2026. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, have fun, guys.
3 little things that you gotta know. Don't leave me hanging, don't scroll away. Join the crew, make it official today. You gotta like, hit it, subscribe, get with it, and smash that bell till the notifications swell. I said like, hit it, subscribe, get with it, ring the bell icon, let them know we on.